See, now let us go with the demo. As far as my experience is concerned, I have I worked 16 years. I worked into various manufacturing industries, into like in India, Saudi Arabia, and also in US, Germany, and all. So after that, in 2007, I shifted from manufacturing to SAP. Okay. Now at present, I have around 13 years of SAP experience and 16 years of domain experience. So I also worked into plant maintenance module. Okay.
Okay.
So what do you mean by plant maintenance means? It is any company will have some machines. Okay.
Okay.
Machines you have, tools you have, equipment you have, apparatus you have, vehicles you have. Okay. All these things you have to give some preventive maintenance.
Okay.
So that it will not give a major breakdown when it is required. Okay. Like for example, if that machine is producing a product, but suddenly if it is stopped, then you will not be able to produce and you will not be able to supply to the customer. Correct? Then the customer will run away. Then your company will be under loss. So looking at this, in SAP, they have like found out SAP plant maintenance, where each equipment is identified. Okay, identified, and depending upon the task, means whether you want to daily clean it or oil it or wash it or whatever, depending upon the task, they have created some plans like single cycle plan, then strategy plan, multiple counter plan. Okay.
Okay.
Now single cycle means only one work, like everyday cleaning. Strategy means on the same equipment you want to do multiple. For example, every 30 days I want to clean, every 60 days I want to polish, every 90 days I want to paint. Multiple counter plan means, for example, if you buy a car or bike, there will be they will say after running for 1,000 kilometers you come for service. So like this, depending upon the equipment, we have some different plans like single cycle, strategy, and multiple counter plan. Then once you execute that, schedule it and execute. Schedule means from when it should start. Okay. Once you schedule, you will get a notification or order, and you will work on that and you will close it. And close it. So if it is order, then we will say if some part is broken, it will cost around $1,000. And after work is completed, you will see whether it is $980 or $1,010. That is finance people integrate, and they will say whether it is in profit or loss, like that. Okay. Order settlement.
Oh.
Now this is how the plant maintenance will go. Now, for example, imagine there is a company plant. Okay. In this plant, you will have different locations. Like for example, somewhere production will happen, somewhere boiler will be there, somewhere chiller will be there. Correct?
Yes.
So all these locations are called functional locations in SAP. FL, functional location. First, you have to identify the functional location in the part. Okay. Then under each function location, you have to identify what are all equipments are there: motor, pump, grinder, like that. Understood? So these are equipments. Then if you want to repair or do some activity, you require some other machine, right? Machine or tool or something like that. So that is called here work center.
Okay.
Okay, either it can be a man or any another machine which is used to do the task on that equipment is called work center. Then you have to define the task. Like for example, for motor, I use this work center to clean. Like that, you have to define. That is, for this equipment, I want to clean by using this work center, machine or man or work center. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is called, so in SAP plant maintenance, we have master data, PM master data. That is function location, equipment, work center, and then task list. These are the 4 things which are plant maintenance master data. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
So first you have to define all these things. Then you will plan accordingly. I told you plan. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And then you will execute. Means you will do that work and complete.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the main gist what we will be learning in SAP now. Clear, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I can follow.
Now I will go through SAP. Okay.
Okay.
Now imagine this is a manufacturing company, a plant maintenance guy is standing there. Okay. Now any company will be having some finished product. They will produce some finished product. For example, I have taken here carton box. We pack your end products. So what is the organization structure of that company? Importance of all modules and their roles. Out of that, what is SAP plant maintenance? So SAP plant maintenance will have master data. That's what we discussed. Function location, work center, equipment, and task list. So once you define that, you will plan either single cycle or strategy or multiple counter plan. Then once you schedule it, you will get a notification or an order. Then close of notification or order. Technically complete if it is an order. Close that order and cost analysis. Cost analysis means before doing the work, you may say it is 100 rupees, but after doing it, it can be 98 or 102. So that finance integration also we will be learning.
Okay.
So for example, imagine that you have started a plant in Hyderabad and you are producing carton box. So due to increasing orders, you have started one more plant in Chennai, one more plant in Bangalore. So all these 3 plants are under India. So India itself is called as a company code. So you will extend your operations in China and Japan. Under China also you can have number of plants. Under Japan also you can have number of plants.
Okay.
So all these company codes will be assigned to one company. So main is a company. Then these 3 are company codes. Under each company code you have plants.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now, when you consider India and there are 3 plants, Hyderabad is a planning plant. If you make Hyderabad is a planning plant, Hyderabad plant will be assigned to Bangalore plant, Hyderabad plant, and Chennai plant. Okay? Means all the planners will sit in Hyderabad plant and they will plan all the equipment under Bangalore, under Hyderabad, and under Chennai.
Okay.
So Bangalore plant, for example, they have identified function location as production area. Here they have identified as boiler. Here they have identified as storage location. So under boiler area, you have motor, grinder, fans, air conditioner like this. Clear?
Yeah.
Then what is the importance of all these modules? SD means these people, they get orders from the market and see that it is delivered. When these people, they get orders, material management people procure all the raw materials and they will give all the raw materials to the production guy. He will convert into FG. Quality guy will check the quality. Plant maintenance guy, this looks into maintenance of machine equipment to give maximum efficiency to give good output. Finance and control, this looks into creation of company code, all these things. Clear?
Yes.
Now, for people who doesn't have SAP experience or industrial experience, they also come to learn. So that for them to make them understand, I will say India is your country or company code. Hyderabad plant, that is you can just think of your own house or apartment. So in this apartment, you have a kitchen that is called function location. In this function location, you have equipments like stove, grinder, exhaust fan like that.
Okay.
So in this way, you will identify it. Okay. Now I told you Plant maintenance is basically divided into three parts. One is master data, then planning, and then execution. Under master data, you have to create function location, work center, equipment, and task list. Then you will create single cycle, strategy, multiple counter plan. Then you will schedule the plan, you will get a notification and order to confirm. Okay. So if you want to create function location, you will use some transaction called IL01, work center IR01, IE01, like that. Okay. So there are like how the master data is created in SAP. For example, this is a Word document with screenshots. So tomorrow, if you go to a company and you will just ask as a consultant, if you are going into a company, you will ask what are the function locations. If that person is telling HM-1, you as a SAP consultant, you will put this transaction into SAP and you will create this. Okay.
Okay.
And you will give the plant and location, and then the company code, and what is the planning plan. Then you will ensure equipment installation is allowed. Then how you will create a work center, IR01. Okay.
Okay.
Then all these fields, how you will fill, I will show you. Then how to create an equipment, IE01. Okay. Then how you put that equipment into that function location. Then you can create multiple equipments on the same location, and you can place all those equipment into this location so that one location will have all these equipments. And what is the task list, how you are creating the task list for this equipment, and then you are using this work center for cleaning, whether you are doing it internally or externally. Means this work you are doing by internal people or external people, how many hours work. Okay. Then while doing this work, are you using any component? Okay. Like this. Okay. You will save it. Similarly, you can also have other like strategy plan, IP41, multiple counter plan. So all these transactions you will come across under each planning method. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is your SAP logon pad. Once you enroll, we will give you a link and you will download this link. So this SAP logon pad will come onto your screen and you will be given these server details. See, like this. And you will be also given user ID and password.
Okay.
Okay. See, like this. Okay. Then I told you we will be using so many transactions, like for example, IL01. So I will be using this. Okay.
Okay.
See, the naming should be like this. So maybe your name is, what is your name?
Binyamin.
BNYM dash IND dash maybe Hyderabad dash 01. So you are creating a location like this. Clear?
Okay.
And it is in which location? It is in 1000 plant.
So functional, the location means where we are creating a production.
Either production area. See, where there are equipments. See, generally our plant, our apartment will have equipments where in kitchen, right? Stove will be there, exhaust fan will be there, fridge will be there, oven will be there, like that. So in company also there will be some locations, production area, boiler area, chiller area, like that.
So in house the function location means kitchen.
Yeah. In plant the function location can be production area or boiler area or chiller area, like that. Okay.
Okay.
So like this. So like this, you will be defining each and everything. Okay. In the system. Now, what are all the contents we will be learning? So how to create company code plan. Actually, this is done by finance people, but we will also see. And about SAP system, and then how to create function location, work center, equipment, task list, equipment bomb, serial number, measuring. These are the contents which we will be learning. General notification, breakdown notification, integration with MM and FSCO, planning scenario, single set, strategy, multiple counter plan, order creation from notification, issue of non-stock material to the maintenance order, issue of stock material to the main with and without serial number, external service delivery, refurbishment, calibration. It integrates with QM. Okay, process of assign activities in the main equipment, factory calendar, information system, configuration, project, sub methodology, how this is converted into SAP, like how people are doing on S4 HANA. Like these are the introductions which I will be giving you. Okay. This will be, this all will be, I will be covering you. And what all the contents are there, each and everything I will run into the system. Okay. And I will also make you practice. For example, if now I have shown you function location, how to create. I will also ask you to create it. And I will check before the next class, I will just check. Even if you are unable to do, I will help you for first 1.5 week. I will be behind you for working. Okay. See, if you just listen, you will not get it. Unless you work with your own hands, you will not get any confidence. So what I will be doing, I will ask you to practice, and I will also show you how to practice. I will be behind you for initial 1.5 week. Then once you are picking up, then I will continue with the classes. Then you will also feel comfortable. Okay, I'm learning things. Okay. And I will give you all the Word document with screenshots. Okay. And even after course completion, I will be in touch with you. If any doubts are coming, you can just ping me or WhatsApp me. That number will be shared once you enroll by the institute people. Okay. And resumes also I will give, model resumes I will give. Okay. So that you, after course completion, you can make your resume and you can post it and you will start getting interviews. And my training also will be with respect to the interview questions. Like while teaching itself, I'll just say, okay, this can be an interview question. They may ask like this, so you have to give answer like this. Like this, I will be telling you clearly.
Okay. Yes.
Clear?
Yes, clear.